Alright guys, what's up? It's Travis, I'm back. It's been a while, you haven't heard from me. We did a bunch of stuff while you were gone. As you can see, this bumper is mounted on the Toyota. And yeah, you had no idea how I did any of it. And you know, it's basically a great big mystery. But hey, it's done. If you need something like this done, you should hire me or somebody else to do it for you. Or watch YouTube videos like is what I did. But anyways, yeah, here it is. The finished product. my wife says there's some like unfinished business here, but I don't see what she's talking about. Maybe this section here, that I don't know, there's missing some pieces. But anyways, let me show you what we got. So the body shop guy is gonna be doing most of the work, and we still need to put a winch in this hole here. So we're not gonna get this too much work, but just inside here is where the factory bumper mounts are. So you can kind of see there's a bolt there, and then there's a bolt over on this side, and then down over here we got a group of bolts, and that basically holds the bumper on at this point. So over here we got a little bit of checking of the fit. This is where we got dinged here. We got this spot over here. So yeah, basically that's what we're working on right now. We gotta get some new plastic for that side, and then this thing, we gotta cut this thing. So that's the next step. We'll let you guys know how it goes.